Struggling with dull, tired skin, breakouts, or stubborn scars? Meet the Radiant Wellness Set, your ultimate natural skincare solution. This three-step system is designed to deeply cleanse, nourish, and restore your skin from the inside out. Let's dive into what makes this set a skincare must-have. Step 1. African Black Soap. This isn't just any cleanser. It gently removes impurities and is known for its healing properties, helping with acne, eczema, and hyperpigmentation. Experience a fresh start every day with skin that feels clean and revitalized. Step 2. Radiance Revive Oil. Infused with a powerful blend of natural oils, this step works wonders by fading scars, deeply hydrating the skin, and boosting elasticity. It's like a nourishing serum that brings out your skin's natural glow and resilience. Step 3. Collagen Capsules. These are not just supplements, but your secret weapon for glowing skin. They support skin renewal, improve elasticity, and help you glow from within. With consistent use, watch how your skin transforms into a picture of health. This is more than just skincare, it's a transformation. A simple routine that delivers visible results, naturally. No more complicated skincare regimes. Instead, enjoy a streamlined process that cares for your skin at the core. Imagine revealing skin that radiates health and confidence, with visible improvements that even your friends will notice. Before and after visuals speak for themselves. This set delivers. Ready for radiant, healthy skin? Don't wait any longer. Transform your skincare regimen and give your skin the care it deserves with the Radiant Wellness Set. Get your set today and step into a world where your skin reflects the radiant, vibrant you. Tell us in the comments, what's your biggest skin concern? Let's chat. Visit our website to order your combo today. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and remember, your best skin starts today.